Hello, welcome to Virgo Philippines. So, ito yung reading natin for Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, and Jupiter Virgos. Take only what resonates. Bale, hindi to magra-resonate sa lahat kasi hindi ko naman talaga makukuha lahat ng energy ng Virgo sa mundo. Kung gusto mo, pwede kang magpa-personal reading, Jing Tarot Reader. Search mo na lang siya sa Facebook, okay? Siya yung pwedeng magbigay ng personal reading sa'yo. And kung gusto mo, pwede mo akong check sa TikTok, guys. Unicorn Princess Tarot. May mga sinishare din ako dyan. Kindly check it out na lang. Let's start your reading, Virgos. Ito yung gagamitin kong card mo, guys. But, pagdating doon sa person mo, doon sa love, ibang card yung gagamitin ko. Pero kung magkapalit-palit yung roles, pakiramdam mo, ito yung sa side ng person mo, then okay lang. For the sign of Virgo. Sorry kung medyo maalog yung camera pag nagsishuffle ako. For the sign of Virgo, please. You do have here the El Emperatriz. Two of Blades. Bottom of the deck is the Nine of Coins. Okay. Two of Blades. For some of you, you could be dealing with two people. Nakikita natin yung energy mo na pagdating sa love, no? Hindi ka nagmamadali. Kung ano yung nasa harapan mo ngayon, for some of you, you might be dealing with a soulmate. And then yung isa is like, parang may pagtanggap, yan na energy na parang, I don't know, I feel like for now, balance. Walang nagiging higit sa kanila. If you're dealing with two people, definitely, pantay ang pagtingin mo dito sa dalawang ito. When it comes to emotions, sa ngayon, balance rin yung emotion na nararamdaman mo. Kung mahal mo yung isa, mahal mo rin yung isa. Ganun lang yun. Maaaring nung mga nakaraan, naging mas matimbang dun sa isa. Pero, finally, nagpantay sila. Okay? Pwedeng natutunan mo na rin mahalin yung isa. This is not for everyone, guys. Kasi ang energy is like parang hindi lahat makaka-relate. You know, dahil might be hindi naman lahat dalawa yung kakonect, no? But I can see you dealing with two people. So, kunin natin yung energy nitong mga taong to. Since they're two, so dalawa yung kukunin natin. Spirit guys, angel guys, please tell me. Kunin muna natin yung dun sa isa. Dun sa isa. Bahala ka na kung alin sila doon. Kasi, hindi ko masasabi kung ito ba'y si ganito, ito ba'y si ganyan. Basta kung saan ka nakaka-relate. Okay, ako ng energy ng parang masakit yung katawan or maybe you are sick or may mga muscle pain ka ngayon or lamig. Ganun. This could be a reading. Tell me about this first person. You do have here the Three of Cups. Okay. One more. This could be the soulmate energy. Chariot, the one that got away, ganon energy, and the Four of Pentacles, or the one na parang hindi nagiging open dito sa maybe emotion or sa connection ninyo. Siya yung nakikita nating lumayo. Maybe this is a friend with the Three of Cups. Pero siya yung nakikita nating lumayo. But there's this energy na tinago niya kung ano yung totoong nararamdaman niya. This person with a Ten of Wands, nakikita natin hindi kanya kayang i-let go. Pero hindi siya naging open sa'yo. Pwedeng dahil sa obligasyon or maybe, I don't know, I feel like pinigilan niya yung mga emotions niya. Pinigilan niya kung ano yung totoo dito sa emotions niya regarding sa'yo. This person, nagtago lang siya eh. Yun yung energy niya talaga. And ginawa niya yon kasi inisip niya yung sarili niya. Ginawa niya yon dahil might be natakot siya na baka hindi pa siya ready or hindi niya alam kung, medyo nag-overthink siya masyado. And this person is currently pwedeng nung time na nagkaroon ng pagkikita or maybe reconciliation sa inyo. Currently, that time, nandun siya sa healing stage. Nag-heal siya from something. And, yeah, this could be a soulmate or a friend kind of energy. So, kunin natin yung energy ng person na isa pa dito sa connection na ito. Okay. Thank you, Spirit Guides, Angel Guides. Person. Four of Wands. There's something stable sa inyo nitong person na ito. You could be in a relationship or maybe married or kung walang marriage na involved, maybe magka-connect kayo because of career, money-related connection. So, yung iba ganon. Because with the Four of Wands, this could be marriage, this could be career, money, or maybe nasa isang bahay lang kayo, or maybe kung hindi man isang bahay, maybe your neighbors, ganun ang energy nito. And the Emperor is here, so there's a father or mother figure doon sa energy na yon. Ten of Cups. So yeah, you could have a family dito sa person nito or may mga families na involved. I feel like itong energy ng person na ito is someone na hindi siya open or hindi rin siya pala show ng kanyang emotions. Like, hindi siya sweet na tao. Like, don't expect this person na maging sweet kasi hindi siya ganon. I see this person na may concern not only with you but the people around you na importante para sa'yo. Importante rin yun para sa kanya. I feel like itong person na to with a King of Swords. So, a very professional person. Kung hindi man, maybe he is working or she is working sa government, ganong energy. Or if not, professional like maybe a doctor, an army, police. Kung hindi man is maybe yung family niya, family background. Okay lang kahit hindi. It's just that some of you ganon, no? And nakakita tayo dito ng person na hindi magpapatalo pagdating sa kung ano yung pananaw niya or ano yung paningin niya sa buhay, kung ano yung mga opinion niya. Opinion niya yun. Alam mo yun? Hindi siya magpapatalo. Ganoon siyang klaseng tao. And now, tell me more for the sign of Virgo. Five of Coins. And a Four of Cups. Bottom of the deck is the Eight of Blades. I feel like for now you are stuck or maybe in a situation na parang hindi na importante sa ngayon kung ano yung mga mararamdaman mo. Like for now, kung nasaan ka, kung ano yung bagay na or sitwasyon na meron sa'yo, tinanggap mo na lang. Kasi it's like, at least I'm okay. At least wala pa naman nangyayari sa akin hindi maganda. At least, diba? But this is you na parang hindi mo na tinitignan pa yung mga, yung kumbaga usaping emotionally wala ko nakikita sa'yo na parang pinofocusan mo yung emotions mo ngayon. Okay? I feel like, yun nga, tinanggap mo na lang kung ano yung tadhana or kung ano yung nangyari sa'yo. Kung ano yung nangyayari sa'yo. That's your energy. That's your energy. Regarding sa emotions mo dito sa mga taong to, with the Five of Coins, I feel like nalulungkot, may energy na nalulungkot ka because maybe yung isang person is hindi, like, parang inabandon na kanya eh. Parang iniwan ka or basta na lang siya nawala, umalis, ganun. Lumayo. And so, parang, wala kang choice kundi bumalik sa sa katotohanan. Pwedeng ganun. And, might be sa mga taong tatanggap sa'yo. No? Because might be you feel like in the past, babalikan ka. But hindi nangyari yung pagbabalik eh kasi iniwan ka rin. So, inabandon na. Yun yung feeling mo. Inabandon na ka ng isang person and tinanggap mo na lang. Sige, ayaw mo define. Na-excite ka pa man din. Ganun yung feeling. Maybe there's a return mula dun sa past. And nagbigay ito ng excitement sa'yo. But then, umalis din. The energy with the Four of Cups, I feel like, I feel like hindi ka interesado doon sa love or sa kung ano man yung ipinapakita or ibinibigay nitong isa. Because you are concentrated with the past na pwedeng hindi nag-offer or hindi tinanggap kung ano man yung mga offers sa inyo. And I feel like you are really concentrated with the Three of Cups. You are concentrated with the past. Parang you want reconciliation. Na dahil yun yung iniisip mo, yung past person, etong mga offers na nasa harapan mo ngayon, parang hindi ka interesado. Because, you know, parang feeling mo mas higit na mas maraming maibibigay sa'yo yung past. Like, maybe magiging mas iba yung buhay mo or mas iba yung, you know, there's excitement, there's a lot of love. I don't know, bakit hindi mo ina-accept or bakit hindi mo nakikita ng halaga yung kung ano yung mga ibinibigay sa'yo ngayon, kung ano yung mga pinapakita sa'yo ngayon. What is this person's feeling towards about you? So the Ace of Cups is here. Page of Pentacles. Nakikita natin itong person na to na hindi ka man niya pinapakitaan ng masyadong emosyon, but there's a lot of love mula dito sa taong to na parang willing siyang ibigay sa'yo. May mga bagay siyang hindi maunawaan or hindi naiintindihan. Maybe financially, hindi siya ganun ka-mature. But this person is loving you. Diba? Itong person na ito. How about the other person? The past person, what is the emotions here? Yeah, talagang umiiwas, lumalayo eh. The Seven of Swords is here. I don't know if you're in a relationship with someone or with this person. Kasi lumalabas dito, you are currently in a relationship. So this is the past waiting for you. The Hangman. This person is waiting for you. And sa nakikita natin dito, with the Ace of Pentacles, waiting siya na makapagbigay ng offer. So you're with the Ace of Pentacles and the Three of Pentacles. Like maybe waiting siya na magkaroon ng growth sa inyo. This person, I feel like aware siya sa nararamdaman niya with the Ten of Cups, which is there's a lot of love here. Mula dito sa taong to, aware siya, alam niya yun, na mahal ka niya. It's just that nasa waiting stage lang talaga siya, kaya umiiwas siya kasi hindi pa niya kayang ibigay yung offer, maybe because you are currently in a relationship with the Two of Cups, and then kung ano naghihintay siya regarding sa ending or a message na may kinalaman sa ending. You have the Temperance, so waiting. This person is patiently waiting na ikaw ay makaalis or makawala dito sa Eight of Swords, which is maybe another relationship. And the Seven of Pentacles, walang growth or walang movement mula dito sa taong to kasi ayoko naman magmukhang kawawa dito. Sa part na yan, hindi kita matutulungan. Parang ganun ang energy ng person. If you are stuck sa relationship or something, you have to, gumawa ng movement. Kung paano ko makaalis dyan, makawala dyan. Because hindi ko naman kayang tulungan ka makawala dyan. Because it's your mission, it's your responsibility. Diba? Parang ganun. So, yung person na to is nasa waiting stage siya. What will happen in the future for the both of you? You do have the Ace of Cups. King of Coins. Clarify the King of Coins, please. Six of Coins and the Il Diavolo. Ten of Wands is here. Near future for the sign of Virgo. The Wheel of Fortune. The High Priestess. One more card, please. In the near future. Eight of Swords is at the bottom of the deck. Nine of Pentacles. In the near future for the sign of Virgo. You do have here Eight of Wands, Five of Cups, the Magician. Wait lang, meron pa pala. the Star. Hindi ko to napansin. The Star, the Knight of Pentacles, and the Three of Wands is also here. Eight of Wands. So, balik tayo dito sa isa. Eight of Wands, the Five of Cups, the Magician, and one more card. Yan, Six of Wands, Knight of Wands, and the Queen of Swords. Bottom of the deck is the Two of Swords. Okay. In the near future, someone here is going to reach out. Nakita tayo na pag-reach out dito. And I feel like with the Il Diavolo, this is something na parang hindi maganda yung intention nitong taong to. Magre-reach out siya, but I feel like there's something here na parang or might be the other way around. Kung hindi man maganda, kung hindi man maganda yung intention, maybe there's this pag-reach out na hindi maganda yung sitwasyon. Like, maybe there's a lot of drama dito sa energy na ito. And then, in the future, I can see big change. I can see big change pagdating sa pinapakita ng soulmate sa'yo. Like, I can see a lot of advice or I can see a lot of support mula dito sa taong to. This person miss you. And in the future, this person is gagawa siya ng paraan parang to be there for you. You know, yung parang with the Knight of Pentacles, there's this very slow knight, napakabagal na movement mula dito sa person na ito, but it feels like itong person na ito is parang nandyan siya if ever kailangan mo siya, but pag hindi mo ako kailangan, alis na lang ulit ako or lalayo na lang ulit ako. Like, that's the energy. So, in the future, I see there's love here in the near future for you. Like, new love energy. Tapos, pwedeng magdulot or pwedeng makaramdam ka ng lungkot. Maybe with a person na parang napakaramdam mo na loko ka or niloko ka. And there's this energy na in the future, you would feel like gusto mo nang i-cut off because yung decision mo is ayoko magmukhang kawawa, ganong energy. And you would like make a decision according sa kasi okay ka naman na, you're already stable, you're already happy with sabihin na natin yung flow ng finances mo, yung career mo, masaya ka naman na dyan. So, itong person na ito is like, madali para sa'yo magdesisyon na umalis. Kasi you feel like nasayang or sinayang niya yung mga kung naman yung binibigay mo. And yeah, I'm feeling like you are already stable sa part na ito. So, once na naramdaman mo yung feeling na stable ka na with regards to your career, nandun na yung feeling na parang hindi mo na siya kailangan or hindi mo na kailangan itong taong ito, lalo na kung sinasayang naman niya yung mga ibinibigay mo. So, in the near future, I can see big change pagdating sa actions ng soulmate for you. This soulmate energy. And what is the action here? Ano yung mga gagawin niyang action na parang bago for you? The Lovers is here at the bottom of the deck. You do have here the Four of Cups. So, siya naman yung nakikita natin na nagpapakita ng support, ng like effort, or might be siya yung magre-reach out because with the Five of Swords, nakita niya na you're not okay and that in the future, this person is willing to take kung ano man yung mga offers na ibinigay mo in the past sa kanya, or vice versa, willing siyang i-offer sa'yo yung mga wants na in-offer niya in the past sa'yo. So, yeah. And I told you, this person cannot let you go. Hindi niya kayang i-let go. And why? Because with the Lovers, this person really do love you. So, sa nakikita natin ngayon, siya yung hindi kayang i-let go. But for now, or in the future, ikaw yung, kung aalis kayo sa buhay ko, di bahala kayo. That's the energy. Hindi lang sa soulmate energy, but whoever these people are na importante sa'yo kasi nagpakita ka ng effort, ng pagmamahal dito sa mga taong ito, whether sa work, sa career, or sa love. So, kung hindi nila, or kung hindi sila mag-stay sa buhay mo, you're letting them go. Mas makakapagpagaan pa lalo ng loob mo pag umalis na lang sila kung kesa pahirapan ka. That's the energy of you. Wala ka nang pakialam kung may mga taong aalis sa buhay mo or dadating sa buhay mo. It's just that this is you na parang hinahayaan mo na lang ang universe na kung ano yung ibigay sa'yo, ibigay sa'yo. Hindi ibigay sa'yo, aalis sa buhay mo, di okay lang. Okay? Thank you for watching, guys. I love you all. Please do like and subscribe to our channel. And please do comment down below. Sobrang na-appreciate ko yung mga comments ninyo, mga positive comments ninyo. Nagpapa-inspire yun sa akin para mas makapag-reading pa ako. Thank you and bye-bye.